Well, hello, beautiful people. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you are here with me. And I definitely appreciate that. To all the new people stopping by my channel, hi, you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, hey! So today's vlog, you guys, is going to be a productive weekend in the life. So if you want to see all of the things that we are going to get into on this vlog, then definitely keep on watching. Y'all, from the time I wake up in the morning to the time I go to bed, these girls have me on the go. And I always need something that tastes good, that's full of nutrients, and gives me energy. And I have to say thank you so much to Live Better for not only being the solution, but for sponsoring today's vlog, you guys. So Live Better is a comprehensive all-in-one nutritional drink that provides nutrients from different sources that makes you feel better. It gives you a better body, mind, and health, you guys. Live Better is filled with vitamins, greens, prebiotics, and digestive enzymes with multiple benefits, y'all, that help with increased energy. Because like I said, these girls have me on the go. They give you an improved immune function because y'all know it's getting ready to be flu season and nobody has time to be on the sick and shut-in list. It helps with reducing your stress, and y'all, being a mom of three, a wife, running a business, working, vlogging, all of the things, I need something that's going to help with the stress. And on top of all that, you guys, that we can all appreciate is it helps with aging. It slows the aging. And so this product, y'all, it's filled with so many different nutrients. One of the things that really caught my eye, you guys, is it has biotin, and y'all know I am on my hair growth journey. And so anything that can help with that, I am all for it. But yeah, you guys, this Live Better product has so many things, and I cannot stress enough for it to be a green drink. I thought it was going to have some type of bitter taste, but y'all, this tastes really sweet and it's really good. Now, so if y'all are trying to snag and some of this Live Better because y'all are on the go like me and y'all want to make sure that you take care of your health first and foremost, then I have you all set, you guys. So you are going to use code Jess 05 when you visit the Live Better website for 50% off your $75 a month subscription. And again, you are going to be using code Jess, Jess 05 to save 50% off. And so y'all make sure y'all use that code and tell Live Better that I sent you. And thank you again, Live Better, so much for sponsoring today's vlog. So now that we have gotten our nutritional drink, you guys, let's go ahead and get this show on the road and let's start the vlog.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on,
So like I said, y'all, this weekend is definitely productive. So Joe and I have been trying to be very intentional with the time that we spend with each other, with the girls individually, and then us as a family. And so this particular weekend is our family weekend. And that means we pretty much just spend time together, just us as a unit. And so coincidentally, it is also Arts in the Heart. Arts in the Heart is a festival that is in our hometown, and it's just what it says it is, art arts in the heart of our city. And so we literally go here just to eat all the good food and see the shows. There's so much like musical talent. And then we also get to view all of the arts. And so it's just a way for people in our city to like display like their true talents, and we love it. It's a 3-day festival, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This particular weekend, we just went Friday. We just went Saturday. Friday it rained, and it rained on Sunday as well. But usually when the festival comes, we are literally here the entire weekend. But yeah, so we enjoyed ourselves, and I got a couple of clips for you guys to see. And so y'all just keep watching so you can see all, well, not all, but a snippet of some of the cool things that we've seen on this weekend.
Let me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will, come through and chill. Just say you will.
Okay. Oh, so it's fine. It feels like 5 minutes. Okay. This one's butter, and this is kettle. I can give you some caramel. I just have to put something.
Y'all want to taste this one?
This is butter over here. Yes. Kettle. Anybody want caramel?
Yeah, let's try it. All right, y'all, so it is Sunday. I am in the kitchen cleaning. It's so dreary outside. And I'm getting ready to cook breakfast. So we're just gonna have your typical American breakfast: grits, eggs, bacon, the usual. And then I am going to go ahead and clean up the my Halloween stuff. Let me bring y'all closer. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my Halloween stuff because I am basically done with Halloween decor. And then I can have my dining room back because it has been the way that it's been for like 3 weeks now. So it's time to get that cleaned and taken care of. So that's what I'm going to do in a little bit. And then, like I said, go ahead and clean up this kitchen, because after I finish cooking, I'm going to go ahead and edit about 4 vlogs maybe. But it's so dreary outside. It's so dreary. It's supposed to rain all day. And so I'll probably be inside all day. I'm supposed to go to brunch with one of my friends. So that will be determined once we get closer throughout the day. So we're supposed to be going like around 1. And so I kind of have on like a light face of makeup just in case. Because it's definitely not a full makeup type of day. So yeah, so I'm getting ready to fix these people some breakfast, and of course you guys gonna be here too. And so my Grammy got us some country bacon, and we call it country because you have to drive a few hours to get it. I'm pretty sure you could get it from a butcher, but we don't. We get it from the actual slaughterhouse. So yeah. So So I'm gonna fry that up this morning. Fry it up and then we get ready to start our day. And I figure it is 8:43 right now. By 9:30, I want to be done fixing breakfast. I'm not trying to be doing breakfast all day. So let's get cooking.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, phony kisses, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chubby, look around. Find one that seems my type. Damn, my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, phony kisses, 30 degrees, way too cold.
And so one thing I've been trying to do, you guys, is, y'all know I make cookies, but I've been trying to experiment with making different cakes. And so on this particular Sunday, you guys, I am making an Oreo pound cake. Aaliyah found this recipe on TikTok and she was like, Mom, you've got to try it. And so that's what I'm doing. Y'all, I've never made a pound cake before in my life. And I didn't even have a pound cake pan. So I reached out to my Grammy because she loves to bake pound cakes and all that good stuff. She's a cake person. I'm a cookie person. And so I reached out to her and asked her if she had any spare pound cake pans. Y'all, she had one. She let me have it. And now here we are. And so I'm going to have the recipe in the description box. So if you guys are wanting to try it, you can. But y'all, these kids got me in the kitchen baking every Sunday a different cake. So y'all will definitely be seeing that in the vlogs. But yeah, like I said, this is an Oreo pound cake. So y'all stay tuned so y'all can see how it turns out.
Early, maybe later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, phony kisses, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
So after an hour and 20 minutes in the oven, you guys, my pound cake is done. I was so nervous that the pound cake was going to fall or it wasn't going to be moist, but y'all, I exceeded my expectations. Y'all, this cake was so moist and I didn't break it when I took it out the pan. So I was super excited about that. And so I am just drizzling my icing mixture all over. Y'all, this Oreo pound cake was definitely a hit. We did get this recipe off of TikTok and it is from Kimmy's Creations. So I'm going to make sure that I put the recipe in the description box. And thank you again, Live Better, for sponsoring today's video. I really appreciate it. Y'all make sure y'all use that discount code and head over to that website so that way y'all can save some coins and get your lives together. But that's going to be it for this video, you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I will see you on the next one and talk to you soon. Bye.